In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to HubSpot in just a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your LinkedIn account with HubSpot, helping you to streamline your marketing activities and enhance your outreach efforts. So let's get started. First, we'll need to navigate to the user guide section of your HubSpot account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. You'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all things related to your business environment. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see various icons. The one you want to click on is the gear icon, which represents your settings. Once you click on the gear icon, a drop-down menu appears. From here, we want to direct our attention to the marketing section. Click on it, and this will take you into a new menu interface dedicated to all your marketing needs. It might feel a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar with the layout, but don't worry. HubSpot is designed with user-friendly navigation in mind. Next up, from the marketing settings, locate and click on the ads section. You should see this within your marketing options. By accessing ads, you'll be able to manage all your advertising platforms in one cohesive space. It's a fantastic resource for maintaining consistency across your digital presence. To proceed, we need to click on the option labeled Get Started with Ads. This is an essential step for connecting your LinkedIn account to HubSpot. It's like setting up the groundwork for this seamless connection. So go ahead and give it a click. This will bring you to the onboarding wizard for ads management. Now, here's where the magic happens. The final step involves selecting the platform you want to integrate with HubSpot. You'll see multiple options here, but since we're focusing on LinkedIn, look for it in the list. Although in this process outlined here, you'll see the option to click on Facebook. When connecting your LinkedIn account, it's important to specially note which platform you are connecting to, ensure accuracy and correct account integration. And just like that, you've connected LinkedIn to HubSpot. You've opened up a pathway for efficiently managing your advertising campaigns all within the HubSpot interface. This integration empowers you to keep track of your marketing efforts and gather insights without navigating away from your platform. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide valuable and that it empowers you to leverage HubSpot and LinkedIn more effectively in your marketing pursuits. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more helpful videos and happy marketing.